This is John Chapaniak with SkipperBud's out of our Grand Haven location. Today I'm going to walk you through the 2022 Bayliner DX 2000. Underneath it is your trailer with the swing tongue. Just came into the showroom just recently, so we still have some decals that we're working on getting off. But this boat is on hand available. It is equipped with your Mercury 150 horsepower, a lot of seating space. With the outboard, they still have a lot of room off the swim platform to hang out and entertain. Large sun pad, as you can see, the table for the cockpit is sitting on it as of right now. And easy access into the cockpit off your starboard side with a lot of seating all throughout. Your bolster captain's chair. Off to the port side, you'll have an open compartment, perhaps for a cooler. Great storage, again, all the way around with your cup holders and your speakers. Here's your table mount. So this is where your table will go. You can either have it set up here in the bow, or you also have a mount here in the back. You do have your ladder to enter and exit the boat here in the front, so when the kids are out swimming at the lake, easy access again on both the front of the boat as well as the back. She does have her bimini on it. Again, this boat is located at SkipperBud's in Grand Haven. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to myself. Again, my name is John Chapaniak, or any other sales representative here. Our phone number is 616-997-2628. Again, 616-997-2628. Thanks for joining me on today's walkthrough.